paying of a ransom. Bakit kaya? Bakit kaya ganyan? Ano ba ang status ng Israel during those times? In the first century, ang status po ng Israel once again in captivity. May sumakop po sa kanila. The Jews were subject to the Romans. And these Jews, mga kapatid, were looking for a political Messiah. Ano ba Messiah? Tagapagligtas. Okay? To redeem them once more again. May sumakop, mas malakas sa kanila, at umaasa silang darating ang Messiah, isang political Messiah. Jesus would bring redemption from sin, which is the true freedom. Gusto nilang makalaya, physical freedom, country to be free. Pero ang Panginoong Jesus, the real Messiah, will bring true freedom from sin. Bigyan ko po kayo ng illustration. From the Old Testament up to the New Testament, meron po tayong tinatawag na 400 years of silence. 400 years of silence. Under po ang Israel ng Roman Empire. 400 years of silence. No? From Malachi, anong first book ng New Testament? Matthew. 400 years, tahimik po ang Bible. Right? The Jews were waiting for a Savior. Pero what kind of Savior that the Israelite is waiting for? They are waiting for a political Messiah. Pag sinayang political, isang leader na papalit na magtataboy sa Roman Empire or mag-improve na kanilang buhay. Okay? Natuloy po natin, verse 69. And has raised up a horn of salvation for us in the house of his servant David. The horn represents power, dunamis. In this text, the power of God. And this is what also words came out from David after God rescued him from the hands of the enemy. Kung sabi niya, no? The Lord is my rock and my fortress, my deliverer, my God, my rock, in whom I take refuge, my shield, and the horn of my salvation, my stronghold, my refuge, my Savior. You save me from violence. I call upon the Lord, who is worthy to be praised, and I am saved from my enemies. Zechariah praises God. Glorify niya si God because He has sent us a mighty Savior from the royal line of His servant David. And again, si Zechariah was speaking in the past tense. Hindi pa nangyayari yung pagdating ng Messiah. Okay? Pinupuri niya na ang Diyos because He had sent a mighty Savior from the line of His servant David. Kaso nasa past tense siya. And the event is still in the future. In the near future. The Messiah was already being raised up or being sent. For God has begun to set His plan into motion. Parating na po, gumagana na po, no? Ang plano po ni God. So where is this Messiah coming from? Ito po yung sinabi po kanina. The house or royal line of David refers to the central line of through whom the Messiah was coming from. Verse 70 po, no? He has spoke by the mouth of his holy prophets from the old. Tuloy po natin.